Good evening, honorable members of Congress. James Maloney from Canada, all the way from Canada. James, thank you for coming. It was good to see you at the Thank You Canada event. We have former Minister of Justice Canada, Irvin Cotler, here with us. Thank you so much, sir, for coming here today. Dear congressional staff members, I'm sure there are many still here. President of Central Tibetan Administration, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the Tibetan Parliament in Exile, representing the 6 million Tibetan people, it's a great honor for me to stand here today to express our deepest gratitude to the United States for your unflinching support for the just cause of the Tibetan people all these years. I will not delve into all the major milestones in the relationship between the United States and Tibet. I would like to second what President Sangye just said very eloquently earlier today, and I would like to reiterate our heartfelt gratitude to the United States for awarding the U.S. Congressional Gold Medal to His Holiness and passing the Reciprocal Access to Tibet Act recently. The United States has always been on our side, and we are forever indebted for your genuine friendship. Since Tibet is still under China's occupation, almost 2 million Tibetans have been killed so far. The situation inside Tibet, even today, is like hell on earth, resulting in over 150 self-immolations. Considering the dire situation inside Tibet, I would like to appeal to the Trump administration and the U.S. Congress to appoint a special coordinator on Tibetan issues and continue to raise the issue of Tibet during your meetings with the Chinese leaders. Speaker Pelosi once rightly said, and she said it briefly earlier today here also, that, quote, if freedom-loving people do not speak out for human rights in China and Tibet, then we lose our moral authority. No one could have said it any better. I urge the United States to continue to speak up for Tibet and support the Central Tibetan Administration's policy to resolve the issue of Tibet. As we gather here today, His Holiness is 84 years old. He came into exile when he was 24. It's been 60 long years. Imagine a father being away from his own home and family for 60 long years. This is indeed very heartbreaking. We, the Tibetan people, would like to see the issue of Tibet resolved within his lifetime so that His Holiness can return to his big family back home in Tibet. As the leader of the free world, any action by the United States on Tibet will be replicated by the freedom-loving countries around the world. The United States should continue to shine the light on darkness for oppressed people around the world, including the Tibetan people, knowing that the United States will hear their cries and stand up for them. This is what keeps Tibetan political prisoners alive in the dark cells in Tibet. I beseech the United States to continue to stand on the right side of history by seeking justice for the Tibetan people and fulfill their aspirations for the return of our beloved leader, His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, back to Potala Palace in Tibet, where he rightfully belongs. Thank you, America. May God bless the United States of America. May God bless Tibet. Thank you.